Hello everybody, so today I'm just going to show you how to disable incognito mode uh, in Chrome. So right now I'm using this version, Arc Linux, and you have to change it on this location, right? So nvm etc chromium policy managed, and then you have to create the policy.json file. So what I like to do is to do full screen and just show you what I have written it. So right now, here you can see the JSON file, and let's exit out full screen, and you can see it's right here, right? So the value is 1. So now it has a disabled. So let me just re-enable this. You have to change or just remove the file. So if I just do 0 and space, let's save it, and let me try to reload it. Hold on a second. So now the value has changed to 0, and now I can go on the cognito mode. Normally I don't prefer to go on cognito because uh, I don't I like to have my history saved. So on my browser it's easier to export, uh, right, to another browser, yeah, another laptop. So let me just reload it again. So it's a one-time thing, so you can just customize whatever you don't want from the this policy, right? So normally I'm looking for more customization, so I want to minimize the browser experience. That's why. So this is my initial step towards it. Thank you guys.